Wait, what? You're poor? You don't have any money? Well, don't you worry, because in this tutorial, I'll show you how to get so much money, literally millions. No, I'm not exaggerating. And this tutorial, I will not be showing you how to use official method to get the money. And no, you're not gonna be doing anything illegal like duping or using mods. No, no, no. You're not duping, at least not you. Now, what you want to join the code money. I spelled code money or money1. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.